Do you know what an elif statement is? Elif in Python is an else-if statement, and it allows us to test for multiple conditions.
elif in this example will allow us to check for 4 different cases, whether the weather is sunny, rainy, snowy, or if we put in another entry that we don't understand. Let's look at the example in the very simplest case with just the if statement. If the weather, this input that we got right here, is equal to sunny, then we're going to print wear a t-shirt. If we want to check for rainy, else would not work for us because it could also be snowy entered or some invalid input. So we use a elif statement. This first elif checks if it's rainy. This second elif checks if it's snowy. And then finally we get to our else statement where it's none of the 3 cases we checked for, and we just say we don't understand the message. Let's run the code. I'll try sunny first. It says to wear a t-shirt, so we went through this path. Let's run it again. With snowy, we went through this path. This was not true. If statement, the elif statement was not true. Rainy, the elif statement for snowy was true, and we printed our message. So we can control the flow through many paths using elif. The other example is very similar. It just uses the elif statement to see if we're guessing a number properly. So we put in a secret number, and then we tell the individuals to guess 1, 2, or 3. If it's not a digit, then we say they need to put in a digit. So this case checks if it's a letter or some other non-digit. If they guess 1, we tell them they guessed too low. If they guess the secret number, we tell them it's right. If they guess 3, we tell them too high. And otherwise, we say it's not a valid guess in the range. Let's run the code. If we enter a typed 3 in letters, we should get the message that it's an invalid guess, and we do. And that means this statement here executed. It checked if it's a digit, and because is a digit was false, then that executes. It matched. Is digit false? Yes, then run this code. Let's try another test. Here, we got to run the third elif statement. Using the elif statement, we can check for multiple conditions.